Now, at this point, the Zambian government needed to be more open and more transparent to the nation, because they did not announce to the citizens when are they executing the judgment of the High Court, which was passed in 2025 August. They did not also announce that. They waited for the Zambians to guess, and not only that, until the family cried out, they have stolen the body, or the body has disappeared. That is where a question is being asked. Number two, when they admitted that they have executed the judgment, they did not again inform the nation that apart from executing the judgment, we have taken the body for post-mortem. So this has caused an outcry. This has caused a social discomfort. And a country cannot develop only economically. I wish to urge the government of Zambia to realize that development, it's not only about economics, it's also about social economics and social relations, emotional aspect. And in this particular matter, the Zambian government would have handled this matter better. And we wish, as African Institute of Leadership and Governance, who are speaking to leaders in the region, we wish to encourage the Zambians to hold the government accountable. Let the government of Zambia also respond, not react to the questions